Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to make this hickory tote bag. Let's get started. Let's make inside bag. Both fabric right side together and leave the top part open and stitch all the way down and side. Making gusset at both bottom corner. You draw lines 2 inches from seam allowance like that and cut it 2 inches from the seam allowance. Open the seam. You can use iron to make it crisp, that'll be easier, and open the gusset and make sure it matches the seam, then sew it down. Outside and inside pocket fabric, put them right side together and sew only top part. After you stitch top part, you flip the fabric. Now right side is outside, then top stitch all the way round. I'm attaching 2 pockets, so you have to do this twice. Pocket preparation has done. And inside bag has been done as well. I'm just making sure how it looks right now. Preparing the straps. Fold in half. I use iron to make it crisp, and 1/2 inch from the edge, both sides, fold in inward again, and stitch them together. Attaching pocket onto the outside fabric. Find the center line for both outside fabric and pocket. I put the pin as a mark and match them together. I put the pocket onto outside fabric. Use pin to secure. And now you leave the top part open because it's pocket and sew it together. Now pocket is attached. Place the straps 4 inches from side of the outside fabric. Make sure the straps on the side of the pocket, so you will cover the edge of the pocket. And you do exactly same thing, 4 inches away from the side and cover the edge of the pocket. And make sure the straps is not twisted. On the strap, you make a mark, the place 3 inches from the top. You make a line 3 inches from top. This line will be the turning point when you sew straps onto the fabric. And make sure the straps are all straight. After the straps attached, you have to finish outside bag. You attached bottom outside fabric, right side together, then sew them together at the bottom. When you attach bottom outside fabric, open it, then top stitching. Okay, so let's finish outside bag. Same as inside bag, right side together. And important thing is right there, every seam has to be matched. And use the clip or pin to secure and sew both side and bottom, not the top part. And making the gasset, same as inside bag, 2 inches from the seam. Draw the square and cut it. Then open the seam and sew it. Let's put outside and inside bag together. You put the straps inside of the bag and you put inside bag into the outside bag and right side together. Make sure every seam has to be matched and use clip to secure. You leave 4 or 5 inches for opening and sew them around. You have to leave 4 or 5 inches for opening. You sew them together except the opening. From the opening area, you turn the work inside out. Take your time. You put your hand in to make sure the gusset is nice and neat. Top of the bag, you will do top stitching to close the opening. After you close the opening, now you will secure the top part of the straps. You sew square and cross inside. 4 of them. You sew square and cross ½ inches from top to secure it. And this is it. And I'm just showing you the side alignment is straight and matched, and the other side as well. Enjoy!